Welcome to Pretty and the Paint, the zone where the squad links up, your nail game levels up, and learning hits different.
Hey y'all, I'm Drea. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start getting it right, you're in the right place. We don't just do nails around here. We are Pretty in the Paint, baby. And if you roll up with a busted acrylic brush, just know we gonna have words. Respectfully, our nail squad is tight because of Miss T, our fairy nail godmother and nail coach. We move smart, we win bigly. So let's go.
Hey y'all, I'm Sara. If you're ready to turn your nail table into a whole masterpiece and stack some real coins while you're at it, you're in the right spot. Because listen, talent takes time and time ain't free, baby. And if you've been blessing folks with crusty polish bottles and ugly colors, we're gonna fix all that. Hit that subscribe button and let's get to the good stuff.
Hey everyone, I'm Kadie. Look, I love a good design as much as anybody, but if your nail beds are screaming under all that pretty polish, that's a no for me. Around here, it's health first, beauty second. Cause if you're not protecting the foundation, what are you really building? It's all love. Let's keep it cute and keep it clean, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. Every time.
Hola, mi amor! You ready to get lit and leveled up, mommy? Cause if you're not ready, you better catch up real quick. Over here, we don't waste time. We make magic. Nails popping, beats bumping, vibes way up. You made it to Pretty in the Paint, baby. Now let's glow and let's go. Vámonos! You bounce, baby? Let me ask you something. What's really going on with that brush you've been using? Let's talk about that busted brush you keep hanging on to. Next up, 3 reasons your nail brush is a hot mess and how to fix it. Comment and say, ick, if your nail brushy is icky.
You go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop a